Ivana Alawi, born Mariam Sayed Samir. Marbella Al-Alawi on December 25, 1996, is a prominent Filipino-Moroccan actress, model, YouTuber, and entrepreneur. Raised in Bahrain, she moved to the Philippines at the age of 8 after her parents separated. Her mother, Fatima Marbella, returned to the Philippines, while Ivana and her siblings stayed with their father, Samir Al-Alawi. Missing their mother, Ivana flew solo to Manila, marking the beginning of her journey in the Philippines. Career highlights. Ivana's career began in 2011 with a role in GMA Network's Tween Hearts, credited as Mariel Ray. She later competed in Starstruck Season 6 in 2015, finishing in the top 22. Her breakthrough came in 2018 with a role in ABS-CBN's Precious Hearts Romances presents Araw Gabi as Rina. She also appeared in FPJ's Ang Provinciano as Amor and made her film debut in Open and the Metro Manila Film Festival entry Tripol Trobol Huli Ka Balbon. In 2019, Ivana launched her YouTube channel, which quickly gained popularity. By 2023, she had over 16 million subscribers and had been honored by Google as the top YouTube content creator in the Philippines for 2 consecutive years' entrepreneurial ventures. In 2022, Ivana ventured into entrepreneurship by launching Ivana Skin, a skincare brand aimed at providing effective and affordable products. She emphasized the importance of quality and safety, ensuring all products were tested before release. The brand quickly gained popularity, with products selling out shortly after launch. Recent developments. In 2024, Ivana confirmed her relationship with a non-showbiz individual. She also faced rumors regarding an alleged affair with businessman Albi Benitez, which he publicly denied and apologized for. Additionally, Ivana's sister, Dominique Lopez, filed a criminal complaint against Benitez in May 2025, accusing him of severe mental and emotional distress through his extramarital affairs, including an alleged affair with Ivana. Despite these controversies, Ivana continues to focus on her career and personal growth, serving as a role model for many aspiring influencers and entrepreneurs. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Share this with someone who'd love it too. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.